Yo, already starting off the day better than last time. And we're starting off the day with earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour. This first order is going to be a McDonald's going about 5 miles.
Hey. What can I get started for you? Here you go.
Thank you. Total for that order was $10. Very nice. Been about 10 minutes since that last drop off. Let's not have a repeat of yesterday, please and thank you. Been 30 minutes now, still waiting for an order. 45 minutes now, still nothing. I swear I've probably been shadow banned from these apps because this is ridiculous. I don't believe it to be this slow. Like, give me anything. Give me a Wendy's going across the river again. Just something so I'm not just sitting here bored. All right, we are back to scraping the barrel for orders. Got a Starbucks, $9 going 7.5 miles. About to pull up to Starbucks and they're giving me an add-on, $9 going an additional mile. I'm not sure if this is going to the same person or not. If it is, even better. If not, it's still really good. Okay, it looks like not the same person. That kind of sucks, actually. Hopefully it's ready on time. I hate having one customer waiting for somebody else's order.
David?
Thank you. It in fact was not ready. What's crazy is I'm actually on pace right now. Like for another 5 minutes, but we'll see how long that lasts. Oh, I got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 3.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you. It says, please don't knock or ring. My kids are asleep. Oh, you are so lucky I'm not petty. I would drive right back and knock on that door. Total for that was $4.03. I'll let you guys guess what the tip on that was. And now we've got about 10 minutes to make $8. Otherwise, back behind pace. Well, we definitely had to wait more than 10 minutes, but we finally got an order. This is McDonald's going 5 miles. Thank you. And that's a no tip. Total for that was $7. Well, I just got the same order. Well, same customer, same mileage. What are the odds that they actually tip on this one?
Morning.
Thank you. Oh, silly me. If they didn't tip on the first order, why would they tip on the second one? No tip on that. Total for that was $6 and change. Okay, this is just dumb. I'm gonna call it here. I'm sick of it. Current time is 8:22. Total, we ended up with $45. I don't know what's going on this weekend, but it is crazy slow. So I guess you guys get more kitty clips. Enjoy. And yeah, I don't know why they're all muted, because there is audio when I'm editing the video, but whenever it goes on YouTube, the kitty clips are just muted for some reason. So I'll try to figure that out. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.